Guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, a very important topic: Alt season. When is it going to start? When is it going to end? And especially, when am I gonna get out based on the statistics, based on the data, and based on the technical analysis? Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the like button, watch until the end because this video is gonna be very important for you to understand when is gonna be the best time to actually take away some of your position. And of course, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. It's only based on my own opinion. So do your due diligence and your research as well. Now, let's go straight away into what's happening right now, with Bitcoin a little bit, and then I'm going to show you about Alt season, what to do right now, and when should be starting as well. Now, BTC at the moment, as we were discussing before, is encountering a little bit of resistance, as I was already warning people long time ago that we could have gone, up to this area over here. We saw that basically we went down to this area over here. We had a push to the downside down to roughly $97,000. And of course, guys, I show you this every single time I'm making a video about my pride, my VIP group. Guys, we are growing a lot. Yesterday, of course, we mentioned already about the crypto correction. Everything was written over here in our Bitcoin analysis. Potential long at 96.97 went to 97.2, short at 102, 103,000. Altcoins, everything already documented over here. And of course, guys, some of my members making short calls from here, as well as Jeremy and Shellcat already going, and we shorted today the markets. And of course, guys, the results talk for themselves. Look at this. I don't know what to say anymore, really. From look at this. Only from today, guys. You tell me which other community can actually pull this kind of results every single day, going long, going short, doing all of this, really. And I show you the proof every single time. This is my call over here. Call it over here. You can see XRP short yesterday, 10:14 p.m. Everything written over here. This is the date, as well as Cat Jeremy calls as well. This is my professional members, guys. If you want a community where you're gonna get trading calls, education, signals, analysis, anything you can think of, guys, this is the place to be. And also, if you want to know also like selling levels of all of your favorite altcoins, guys, we have everything written over here. VIP group is the way to go. If you want to join, guys, description, little trailer over here, and also all of our trading results from here. You can just watch everything documented. But now let's go back into BTC, guys. BTC at the moment is into this pattern over here. Looks like we had a beautiful bounce to the downside down to 97,000. Now he wants to break this area over here, and what we need to be careful right now. So looking at this area over here, you can see that if you're going to be able to break 101,000, 102,000, then the next level that we need to look for is going to be $104,300. The retracement of Fibonacci is 78.6. So from here, it's probably going to do something like that. It's going to go up to here. Then from here, we might see maybe a little more of a pullback down to here again around 100,000, 101,000, and then probably is going to go and explode to the upside. And what's going to be the catalyst for this to happen? Guys, it's going to be the inauguration of Donald Trump coming very, very soon. What is actually quite incredible about Donald Trump is the fact that he says something very important, which stay with me until the end because I'm going to show you what he said. And right now, so that's what I'm expecting. Could be up to 104, retracement down to here, and then continuation to the upside. And looking at the when is this cycle going to top up, like when Bitcoin is going to top up before seeing a proper correction. Like right now, we still haven't had a proper correction. The one we had from 110 to 90,000, that was like a 17% correction, which is not bad. But I'm talking about like more like 35% correction. I don't think we still haven't seen that, and it could be coming sooner rather than later, maybe in the next few months or so. But right now, BTC, if Bitcoin, Donald Trump is going to inaugurate it, is going to say smart things, not stupid things about BTC, we could be seeing maybe like a blow off top scenario going up maybe to 115, 120,000. That could be definitely a level to look for before seeing a more meaningful correction. When I mean meaningful, I'm thinking something like this. Maybe it could be able to go up, to this area, maybe 115, 20, then drop down again to maybe, 85, 80, and then maybe another impulse to the upside. But I will be very careful once we're going to go up to here. But what also Trump said, which really, I guess, can really put lots of fuel to the fire, is this one over here. While many in cryptocurrency community have been cheering the pro-crypto executive orders Trump with basically to create a strategic reserve of Bitcoin, he's also said that he's going to potentially add USDT, USD coin, sorry, USDC, or other altcoins like Solana and Ripple. So, do you understand the implication that he's going to go and say that he's going to create an altcoins strategic reserve too? Like, that's going to be massive, massive because, of course, for example, if he's going to say he's going to have a strategic reserve with Solana, Solana, as you know, all the meme coins right now are built on Solana. So, if he's going to announce to do like a strategic reserve with Solana, I mean, it's probably going to be quite evident the price is going to go and do something like that. That could definitely be on the cards. But if this one happens, of course, everything on the Solana ecosystem, right, is going to go up like crazy. For example, meme coins like Brett, like Myro, like all these, Popcat, all these altcoins, built on the Solana blockchain, they should really go and follow. But again, guys, things like Myro, Brett, Brett has like I don't know, $1 billion in market cap is nothing. So basically, if Solana is going to go up like crazy, it's going to go up and do like a 3x from where we are right now. We could be seeing maybe you seeing like Bright, going up, I don't know, 7x, 8x, something completely crazy. But I want to show you right now what I'm looking for to basically understand when I'm going to get out, from this like altcoin season, from this Bitcoin local top. Because remember, I don't know if it's gonna be we're gonna see the end of the bull cycle when we go up to 120, 130, or it's gonna be something like one top, a super correction, then another top up to here. I don't know that. It's very difficult to say, but I'm expecting really by maybe, I don't know, March, April, something like a local top from here, big correction, and then we, of course, have to assess. And also, guys, if you are interested in know like when to, of course, to trade in between these levels to make money, to anticipate all season and all of that, what I can do, you can join one of the best non-KYC crypto exchanges that we have, which I'm also a partner with. It's called Bluefin. There is a link in the description, guys. If you sign up right now, first 100 people are getting a crazy bonus. So sign up while you can. Very good crypto exchange, very fast with transactions. So I'll really encourage you, if you're doing, if you're trading, if you're holding, encourage you to buy Bluefin. Works very, very well. So link in the description. But let's go back to our altcoins. So the first thing I'm looking at right now for altcoins is a total crypto market cap. You can see that, for example, right now, if you look at the chart of BTC, BTC in general is the one that tops first, is the one that tops, at first. And in general, you can see that BTC, if you're going to go and check the trend line from 2017, draw a line from here, 2017, we can see that we basically formed a local top around this area over here. So we touched this line over here, this line over here, and then you went up to this area over here. So we completed this bull flag up to here. And I believe that the total crypto market cap, as well as um, altcoins as well, they have a similar pattern to Bitcoin. For example, I'm going to go on and show you on the crypto total market cap. You can see that we have formed a bull flag, but to go and touch all these like lines which I was talking about before, this line here, this line here, and then this line here. This line here is bringing me to the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. That's a very important extension over here, because when we were in Bitcoin, that's where we went. We went and touched this with the Fibonacci extension, the first extension that we had. You can see that it's really matching exactly over here. So I would say that as a local top for our altcoins, when I'm probably going to decide to take away lots of my position in altcoins, it's going to be when we're going to be able to reach here. So the right now is sitting at $4.5 trillion, meaning that we could be seeing another $1 trillion influx in into like BTC and altcoins, because remember, crypto total market cap is also including Bitcoin. So talking about like some I would say like talking about maths. So if Bitcoin right now is a $2 trillion asset, and we are going to have a pump from, let's say, 100,000 to 120,000, so another 20%, it means it's going to be another 400 billion going into Bitcoin, and then $800 billion they should be going into altcoins. So basically, what I will do, if once you're gonna go up to here, okay, I'm gonna go and have a look as well as the total free market cap. Again, looks very, very similar to Bitcoin, looks very similar to altcoins as well. And you can see that the Fibonacci extension is something around $1.66 trillion. It's forming like a bull flag as well. So it looks like it could be continuing to go higher, do something like that, and then finally break to the upside. So once you're going to go up to this level, I'm going to see an RSI forming a proper bearish divergence, but also the RSI to go up here maybe in the 87 to 90. So then once you're going to have an RSI up to here and this level over here, it's going to be my signal to say it's probably better to load, to ease off my positions, to sell a big amount, like maybe, I don't know, 70%, 80%, depending on where we are, of course. And then it's going to be my exit strategy. Next one I want to show you as well is going to be very important. It's about others, right? So I saw right now, like, total free can be helpful, can be good to see where we are, but theoretically, Altseason is more of about, like, small cap altcoins, which right now they haven't performed at all. Like right now, it's all about XRP, it's all about XLM, ADA, and Bitcoin. So we haven't seen anything else from other altcoins, right? Others is actually the right measurement to see what's happening with the small caps, and you can see from here that we formed a beautiful potential, like inverted head and shoulder, cup and handle. I don't know how you want to call it, but we went, broke this level, retested this level, and then looks like we are about to go higher. And again, very similar to what I said before. What I'm basically looking for is going to be reaching this level of Fibonacci, maybe 720 billion, maybe a little bit higher as well, maybe on this line over here. I was saying between maybe 720 to $900 billion, right? So let's put it square over here. Once you're going to be able to go up to this area again, we should be seeing as well the price on the RSI coming up to here. There's going to be a selling signal. And then once you're going to be going up to here, then I think it's going to be the time where I'm going to really take away lots of money from my altcoins. Why? Because we're going to be pumping probably an extra $500 billion into here. And I mean, $500 billion, $600 billion into altcoins which are worth 700 millions. Can you imagine what happens even if they go and they add all of them like a 4 billion each? I mean, it's going to be like a 5x, 6x, something like that, right? So that's what I'm saying. Like, and this is financial advice. Be very careful when it comes to investing in crypto. Once you make your 4x, 5x, don't try to go for the 20x, 30x, 40x. Maybe it can happen, but again, risk management, guys, that's very important. And also know when to buy, when to sell. So that's what I'm going to look for. And what I'm trying to say here is that once you're going to go up to this area, I'm going to have a look at my altcoins in a very singular manner and see where we are to be able to say, I'm going to take profits from this one, not from this one, or from this one, and not from this one. And what I do with that, the way I'm doing actually, I created already on the VIP group over here a beautiful spreadsheet. I got it over here in the pin messages. You can see all the buying and selling areas from here. So this all the buying areas, all the selling areas, exactly when I'm going to get out from all these areas over here. So that's going to be super important. So again, that's what I'm looking for. Others is going to be my most important one. Another thing which I would say is going to make me a little bit doubtful, or I would say is going to give me a wake up call to when to sell and when to buy, is going to be in relation to the US 10 year treasury yield. As well, you can see that we have a beautiful support area around here. So if we're going to go down with the US 10 year treasury yield, remember this one has a negative correlation with crypto and stocks. And therefore, if I'm going to see this one to start to go downwards like that, okay, and reaching this level of support here, and in conjunction as well with the DXY is going to go down to this area at this support area at around 97 to 98. That's also going to be my signal to say it's better to get out from the market. See you later. I'm going to be in cash because this could happen. This could happen. And then, of course, you're going to be in trouble because if this happens, guys, crypto market is going to tank. Nothing else, to, I would say, to be very transparent. So again, once you're going to go down to here, we're going to go down to here. There's going to be my signal to say I'm out. Okay. And of course, we have to take in consideration so many things. In the VIP group, we're going to be discussing all of that in between, our trades. But that's going to be, I think, is going to be very important to understand all of that. So to summarize, guys, is the top of the bull market right now? Doesn't look like. Also, like a few other things as well, guys. I didn't discuss about the Bitcoin dominance as well. You probably saw that already before. Bitcoin dominance. That's another thing. I think that we're going to be reaching the level of total free around the 1.7 trillions or others around 900 billions. The Bitcoin dominance should be down around this area over here. So I want to put everything all together. For example, if I'm going to see the others coming up to this area at $900 billion and the Bitcoin dominance is down to here, let's say we're going to be going down at 54%, then I could be thinking maybe we can go higher. But if we're already down to here at the golden pocket area, 47% with altcoins, and then the total free is already topped up in the area I told you. For example, the Bitcoin dominance is down to here, okay, and then the others is going to be up to here at the level I showed you of the Fibonacci, then I'm going to be out. I'm sorry, but that's going to be a warning sign for me to say it's better to, go in cash and then wait for the next dip to come, because the next dip is going to come. I've been in this market for already 3 cycles, and I can tell you that it's always the same. Pump and dump Ponzi schemes designed to pump and dump and for market makers to make money and make retailers lose money. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I wish you a great weekend, and I'm going to see you tomorrow for another update. Take care and see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe.